Welcome to ABDULgrafix channel, where science meets visual arts. Every chemical reaction keeping you alive right now depends on these molecules. Today, we will talk about enzyme. What is an enzyme? Enzyme's simple, realistic definition. An enzyme is a protein, or sometimes RNA, made by living cells that acts as a biological catalyst. It speeds up specific chemical reactions inside or outside cells, like breaking down food, building new molecules, or releasing energy without being used up or changed itself. Think of it like a reusable tool or helper. Molecule, it lowers the energy barrier so the reaction happens much faster and more easily at body temperature. But the enzyme stays exactly the same afterward and can be used over and over. Examples: amylase in saliva starts breaking down starch into sugar. Lactase helps digest milk sugar. DNA polymerase copies your DNA when cells divide. Without enzymes, most life processes would be too slow to support life. That's why they're essential in every living thing, from bacteria to humans. Why enzymes are not consumed in reactions. Enzymes are not consumed in reactions because they act as catalysts. They help the reaction happen, but are fully regenerated at the end, exactly as they started. Here's why, in simple, realistic terms. 1. They only temporarily hold the reactants. An enzyme binds to its substrate the molecule it acts on to form a short-lived enzyme-substrate complex. The enzyme grabs the substrate as, positions them perfectly, lowers the activation energy by stabilizing the transition state, and lets the chemical reaction occur. Once the products form, the enzyme releases them and returns to its original shape and state. 2. It's not a reactant, it's a reusable tool. In the overall balanced equation of the reaction, the enzyme does not appear. The enzyme is on both the left and right side of the detailed mechanism, so it cancels out. It is never chemically changed or used up, it's just a temporary helper. 3. One enzyme molecule can turn over thousands of times. A single enzyme molecule can process hundreds to millions of substrate molecules per second, called turnover number. As soon as it releases the products, it's ready for the next substrate. That's why you only need tiny amounts of enzyme in your cells or in industrial processes. Real-life analogy. Imagine a wrench tightening bolts on a factory assembly line. The wrench enzyme holds the bolt substrate in the perfect position. The machine tightens it, reaction happens. The wrench releases the finished part product and immediately grabs the next bolt. The wrench itself is never worn out or used up, it just keeps going. Factors that affect enzyme are: 1. Temperature. 2. Enzyme concentration. 4. Inhibitors. 5. pH. 6. Cofactors. We will explain on how these factors affects enzyme. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button to get updated when any new video is posted.